What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains channel. I'm at Chatswood doing this video in request for Jimmy Lee. There's a Tangara approaching platform 1. It's an Emu Plains service. Today I'm again in search for K98 and K99, which is former Newcastle K-sets K1, 2, 3 and 4. The leading 4 cars of this T-set is T83, rear 4 cars T75. Waratah A50 arriving onto platform 1. A63 departing platform 3. Tangara T130 departing platform 4. Rear half is T67. Blacktown train arriving into platform 2, T76. Rear half is T88. Another T-set departing platform 4. Front 4 cars T63. Rear 4 cars T128. Waratah A12 arriving into platform 2, Richmond service. A24 A24 just departed platform 3. If anyone has any requests about where they want me to vlog next, don't hesitate to put it in the comments section below. K91 departing platform 4. K91 has recently been retargeted. It used to be K98. The rear half of this K set is K88. K94 departing platform 3. Rear half is K61. Waratah A30 departing platform 4. Waratah A35 departing platform 4. Tangara arriving into platform 2, Penrith service, leading 4 cars is T95. Rear 4 cars is T65. Some new gangways on T65. T73 departing platform 3. Rear 4 cars of that set is T96. T60 departing platform 4. T62 is the rear half. Here's K99 arriving into platform 1, Emu Plains service. Rear half is K75. Tangara T93 departing platform 3. Half is T79. Hey guys, there's somewhat of a rare sight. S set arriving into platform 1. Leading 4 cars is S145. Rear 4 cars is S137. What's going on, guys? Just before I wrap this vlog up, I just wanted to give you a quick look around D4097, which is, this carriage was on K2. It is now on K98. Orange has been painted over there. Still got your headlights, the old driver cubicle part. Guard doors have been boarded up, painted over, stickers, whatnot. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap up this vlog. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog.